What's up, videos? What it is, guys? I'm back with another video. I said I'm back with another video. Yeah, so today we're gonna learn how to play Ngatimukudzei Mwari. I know a lot of y'all haters love this song, and we are on the track. On the track of covering a lot of popular church hymns. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. So I'm just gonna sing and play, and then I'll break it down to you real quick. I'm in the key of F sharp. Ngatimukudzei Mwari nemoyo inovara tsitsitsa Okay, so the song starts on the number 1, which is F sharp, the first black key, where you see like 3 sets. You know, I know y'all went to school and then there was this sets thing, so this is just a bunch of 3 black keys, a set of 3 black keys, and then this is 2. So here, this is F sharp, which is our 1. So on the move we change to 5. So 5, it's C sharp, F, and G sharp. Kudzei Mwari. Back to 1, which is our F sharp. Nemoyo. We go to 4. Our 4 is made up of, it's B, G sharp, and F sharp, which is our 4. So immediately from 4 we go to 5. Remember 5, C sharp, major chord. Ngatimukudzei Mwari nemoyo inovara tsitsitsa. Come back to 1, F sharp. So we come back to 4. 1, then 5. Tirwa isu nati ripanamo tinoche getwa naye tsitsitsa then it's just going to repeat itself. So just for bonus, for those who have stayed playing along with the tutorial, there's this scale. It's just a run, so we can start it either on B. So it's an E. It's an E pentatonic scale. E pentatonic scale. So we start on the B. So usually we can do it from the 4, and then we can. So it's B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, B, C sharp to D sharp, and then you just do a quick tight 10 here. But it has to be quick. So guys, let's learn this song and let's have fun. See you next on the next tutorial. Peace.